said don't sit on it.
That's a new penalty!
He said don't sit on it.
Yes, and you! Little boy! Little boy! Little boy! Little boy! Little boy! Little boy!
Yes. What do you want? Body wash. Body wash, where is that? Cut your face.
Down aisle! To the left!
Right, oh, there it was.
You just missed it!
Turn around.
What the heck?
Diaper.
Need soap! Clear the body!
Are you guys like getting anything?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
Diapers.
Little boy!
Little boy.
Little boy!
Little boy.
Little boy!
Little boy. Little boy. Little boy.
What do you need? Make a decision as you sing.
Oh, sir, we get on milk.
Oh, what do I like that?
Oh, we get on milk?
Dang it, I don't see it.
We're all like, we got this moment of quiet. So, what do we need actually?
Reason why we're here.
This has been fun. This is like my favorite trip to Safeway.
This is, here, just give me the thing for, the Irish Spring.
Sing it. You have to sing it.
Yeah, what do you need?
The Irish Spring.
What do you need?
The Irish Spring.
No, but what do you need?
Little boy! Little boy! Little boy! Little boy!
These Irish
Put that in! It's coming now! I need to pay!
Is that all we need? Is that all we need? No,
He's
as bad as a little kid. He's already grabbing things off the shelf.
So what else do you need?
That's it. Here, hold
That's
this real
it?
quick. I need to take my jacket off. It's getting hot.